Hi everyone, welcome back. In this video, I want to show you how you can remove GPS metadata from pictures and videos using what is probably the most comprehensive tool available for viewing and manipulating Exif data, ExifTool. There are other applications out there that say they can remove the GPS information, but unfortunately I wasn't getting consistent results from them across different file formats. So based on my experience at least, no other application is as consistent and as effective at stripping GPS metadata as ExifTool. Now I'm trying to make this video a short one and go straight to demoing how ExifTool can remove GPS information. But if you are new to this series, you might be wondering just what are GPS metadata and Exif data? Or what is that drag and drop method of viewing or displaying the Exif data I've been showing to you on screen? In case this is all new to you and you want to gain a better understanding, you are welcome to watch the videos I made on these topics using the links that will appear one after the other up here. To put it briefly, GPS metadata mainly refers to the GPS coordinates of where a picture or video was taken. This GPS information can be seen in the Exif data embedded within images and videos captured by our smartphones and digital cameras. So unless you disabled location information in the privacy settings of your smartphone, pictures and videos you share with other people will, very likely, still include your GPS coordinates. And in this day and age, it's just not a good idea to share your geographical location, i.e., where you live, where you work, with strangers.
Why?
Because they're strangers? So how can we remove GPS metadata from photos and videos using ExifTool? By using this command that has worked really well for me. Let's try out this command on one of the JPEG files I've been showing you. I find it easier to do this using a text editor. It's just my personal preference. Other people just type in the command directly into the command line, and that's fine. You just take the command and then replace path of media file with the actual path of your file. Copy the edited command from your text editor. Type in CMD to open your command prompt, paste, then press enter. And then when you drag and drop the JPEG file to ExifTool, the GPS metadata is now gone. Once more, on a video file this time, and I will be sending the output to a text file as I want to compare the Exif data before we remove the GPS metadata and after. What changes can we expect? Okay, so we have finished sending the output to a text file. As you can see on your left, the Exif data has 93 rows, while on the right side, there are only 89 rows. These rows that I am highlighting are the rows that ExifTool removed. Looks like all of the rows related to GPS information have been removed. Good job, ExifTool! And lastly, just be aware that when you remove the GPS information from any media file, expect the file dates to also change. That is to be expected. So that's how you strip away the GPS metadata to protect yourself from all the bad actors out there. And that's all I have for now. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, don't forget to like and subscribe. I would appreciate very much, and I will see you next time.